This presentation is given by Carly Siemens and Rachel McAllister, featuring TouchChat HD AAC iPad app. TouchChat is a communication option for individuals who experience complications with their natural voice. The app is designed for individuals with Down syndrome, autism, apraxia, ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease, post-stroke, or any condition that affects the ability to speak. We will be discussing the standard page sets that come available with TouchChat HD. The first standard page set that is available is Vocab PC. Vocab PC is best for adolescents and adults with developmental disorders due to its carrier phrases, interactive sentences, activity vocab, and naming words. It includes a 12-location page layout. Another standard page set is the MultiChat 15. It is available in student, adolescent, and adult versions. It includes sentences, phrases, individual words, recordings for storytelling, visual scenes, interactive play, reading pages, and social pages. There are symbols on every button with a few core word exceptions. It includes a 14-location page layout. Another standard page set in the TouchChat HD app is the spelling, which includes a QWERTY keyboard with the 4 prediction buttons for individuals with literacy skills. Another standard page set is My Quick Chat, which is available to children with 4, 8, and 12 location page layouts, and adults with a 4 and 8 location page layout. My Quick Chat features high-frequency phrase-based communication system, otherwise known as a progressive system, that offers a variety of topics for everyday needs in conversation and successful communication exchanges in a variety of settings. Another standard page set is My Core. My Core includes a core and phrase-based vocabulary page set for individuals with literacy skills. Another standard page set is the 4 Basic, which is available for children, adolescents, or adults who need minimal targets because there are only 4 targets per page. Another standard page set that comes with the TouchChat HD AAC iPad app is the Communication Journey Aphasia. Communication Journey Aphasia was designed for adults with aphasia. It includes symbols, photos, visual scenes, videos, or words that can be combined into messages, topic, and script pages. Pages in this page set support communication techniques, self-advocacy, directing care, and repair of communication breakdowns. Included are emotion scales, maps, templates for personal information and life stories, and schedules. Special features include rate of speech, pause between words, grid size, and vocabulary can be personalized. It includes a starting point vocabulary for individuals with aphasia, but it must be customized. Finally, the last standard page set that is available in TouchChat HD is the Spanish Language Pack. The Spanish Language Pack is designed for individuals whose primary language is Spanish. It includes a Spanish vocabulary and voice files at no extra charge. Additional licensed page sets available with purchase for TouchChat HD, in addition to the TouchChat HD app itself, includes the Word Power, which can be purchased for $150 in addition to the TouchChat HD app. Word Power features a word-based vocabulary designed by Nancy L. Inman to create sentences on the fly and was designed especially for the iPad. Word Power includes 14 different page set designs, including Spanish options, for purchase in addition to the TouchChat AAC app. Another additional page set is the iEssence, which can be purchased for $100. iEssence is designed for individuals with degenerative medical conditions, such as ALS, who are unable to speak but still able to read and spell. This is also an in-app purchase. Another additional licensed page set is the Talk About AAC vocabulary, which can be purchased for $50. It's designed for individuals who require assistance acquiring emerging language word vocabulary. Another additional licensed page set is the Gateway vocabulary, which can be purchased for $150. Gateway is a set of core word page sets which enable creating efficient messages by children and or adults. The theme pages included support AAC use in school, play, and community settings. Vocabulary included in this app are child and teen and adults. All possible vocabularies are included in the purchase of Gateway. Lastly, Pixin 6D for TouchChat can be purchased for $80. Its options are available are 10 manual communication boards, a curriculum, and various educational supports for children and adults to develop their language skills in order to become independent communicators. We will discuss how to switch between the standard page sets of TouchChat. In order to switch between the page sets, select a page set and then select vocab in the top left corner, choose new vocab, and then select the page set from the list view that displays once the facilitator has selected choose new vocab. When you would like to edit messages on buttons, you will need to go into the page set and select menu in the top right corner. Select edit page and then tap on the button you wish to edit, which will bring you 4 options. Edit this button, change button size, remove button from page, or copy button. To edit a button's message, select Edit this button from the 4 options above. Within the Edit this button window, you can edit the button message and button label by entering the message into the word box. You can also change the symbol or image as well as the appearance, such as color, size, font of the button. You can also edit the button action. Editing the button action may include navigation to a different page, clearing the message display, or producing speech, etc. To customize your vocabulary set, first we'll save. To customize your vocabulary set, select menu in the top right corner when in the list view. So go to vocab, choose new vocab, and then menu in the top right corner. Then select copy, import, or create new vocab. And here, if you're copying a vocab, you'll be creating a new page set. So you'll create a title for your page set and describe it. And as you can see, this new page set has been created. And within here, you can edit your vocabulary set. To add buttons, select menu in the top right corner, edit page, and then menu in the top right corner again, edit page layout. And then you can change the number of rows and columns to allow for more or less buttons on the page. And now we've changed the buttons.
There's new buttons down there
that you can add new messages on. So how to program buttons with synthesized, TTS, and digitized speech messages. To do this, you would select menu in the top right corner, and then edit page, and then select the button you wish to edit. Edit this button, and then scroll down to button actions. For synthesized speech,
you will type the message that you want to hear in this button message box. And then, so right now do is typed into there. as you scroll down to button actions, you'll go to add and you'll scroll to speech message. And that just means that it is going to speak the message that you have in there. And I'm going to delete one because we have it in there twice. And then you'll hit save. Done. And now when I hit it, it will have a synthesized voice for the word do.
Do.
To do a digitized voice, you'll go to menu, edit page. You'll select the button that you want to edit. Choose edit button. You will come down to button actions. You will delete the speech message if it's already in there. And then you will select add for the action. The actions that you do is play audio. You can either choose a play library audio, which is already uploaded on here, or you can select play audio, and then every time you hit the button, it'll play this audio that you choose. You can use an existing sound. There's all sorts of sounds that are already in there, or you can record a sound right now. So for example, we could say, I am hungry. That's a little quiet, but you can hear that. So now we'll save that message. We'll save this button. And now when we hit this do, you'll have a digitized voice of I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Now we will show you how to create custom pages, page sets, and navigation. Users can create or copy pages or page sets to customize their own vocabulary set. To copy or create a new user page set, select, we'll go back to the list view, so vocab, choose new vocab, select menu in the top right corner, and then you can select copy, import, or create new vocab, which we have already shown you, as we did with this title. Now we'll show you selection techniques and selection technique settings. To enable scanning, you must enable it through the iPad or the device's general settings. So on the iPad, go to the iPad settings, select general, select accessibility, select switch control, and then switches, add new switch, and here you have external screen or camera.
The external is any external switch that you may have, such as a Bluetooth switch. This can be activated within here. You can also use the screen as a switch, and so you can program it so that anywhere that you touch on the screen, it becomes your switch button. You can also choose the camera, and this will let you use a left head movement or a right head movement as your switch actions. So we have set it up so that the full screen is going to select an item, and we'll demonstrate that in a second.
Right.
The timing and the speed options are listed on this page. You can choose the scanning style. So you can go in, you can choose auto scanning, manual scanning, or the single switch step scanning. We have ours on auto scanning. And then you can also, when you change the scanning style, it changes the timing options in here. So for the auto scanning, we can choose the scanning time under timing. So we have ours set at 1.5 seconds. You can let it pause on the first item, and there's several other options that you can select based on your preferences for scanning. To turn the scanning on, you'll turn on switch control, and then the device will be controlled by the switch. So our auto scanning will begin when we hit that. And then I can tap anywhere on the screen in order to select what I want. And we will go, I hit the home screen twice, and it pulls up the different screens. And once it gets to TouchChat, I tap anywhere, it'll pull up our TouchChat. And now when it gets to the vocabulary I want, I'll select that. can go there. And I'm touching the screen when it gets to the option that I want. And users can use this to select buttons and create phrases that they want to have produced.
Okay. Now that we've shown you how to set up scanning, we'll show you how to make applicable direct selection adjustments, such as dwell time and release time. So select the page set you wish to edit, and then select Menu, Settings, and then scroll down to Buttons, the heading buttons, which is near the bottom.
I hit one thing. We'll fix that later.
Keep scrolling. There we go. So buttons. And then here, select on or off to activate on release. And here you'll see dwell time. And you can select the amount of time, up to 5 seconds, you wish to dwell before the button will be selected. And then you'll also see release time below that, which you'll select the amount of time, up to 5 seconds, you wish for the user to hold the button before releasing. That will allow for selection of the button. Now, how to calibrate user input, such as with no contact direct selection, such as eye scanning. If eye gaze is desired, a separate eye gaze tracking device for the iPad would be required. Now, we had just previously gone through how to make applicable scanning adjustments, which include scanning style, auto scanning, manual scanning, and single step scanning, which are adjusted under the heading of timing in the switch control menu. And because we just went through that, we will continue on. Please refer to the earlier section of the video if you need help with scanning. Now we'll talk about implementing, adjusting, and programming applicable rate enhancement strategies. How to add or adjust word and or phrase prediction settings. Within the desired page set, select Menu within the desired page set. So since we're in a page set, we'll select Menu in the top right corner, and then select Edit Page, and then tap on a button. And
the pages that these work best for are with the keyboards. So you can do it within your spelling or QWERTY spelling key or page set, or in this page set, we've created an alphabet button, or there was a copied one. So we'll go into the ABC keyboard, and within this page, it has prediction buttons, and this is where we can either create those or edit those.
Right. And so once you go to Menu and Edit Page, and then you tap on the button and select Edit Button. Go to Button Actions and Add, and then you can select Static Word Prediction or Static Character Prediction. Select the prediction number, which means the number of words that will be predicted.
It's the preference, so it's the most likely through the number 10 most likely that you'll be able to choose.
Right. Thank you. Also, please note that word prediction is most functional in the keyboard location, as was already mentioned. There can be up to 10 word predictions that can be selected per character or word. How to turn off word and or phrase prediction. Select the menu and then Edit Page. Tap on the button you wish to change and then select Edit Button. Scroll down the menu until you reach Button Actions and select Edit. And as you can see, these red minus buttons that show up, you can tap on the red minus sign on the left of the action that you wish to turn off.
So here we'll turn off the static word prediction.
And that's how you would turn on or off the word and phrase predictions. So, how to turn on or off or adjust applicable coding strategies that are otherwise named abbreviation expansion. To create an abbreviation expansion within the desired page set, select Menu, select Edit Abbreviations, excuse me. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and in the space under Abbreviation, type the abbreviated form you wish, such as CR. In the space under Expands to, type the full word, phrase, or sentence you wish it to expand to, such as Carly and Rachel. Then tap Save and tap Done. So now we'll demonstrate for you. If you type in CR, note that in order to expand the abbreviation, you have to press a period after the abbreviation.
Carly Rachel.
And it expanded and said the abbreviation. Note, type a period after the created abbreviation name to activate the action, and how to turn. Then that's how you turn on or off or adjust the abbreviation expansion.
And you can erase them if you want to remove one that you've created.
Adjusting device feedback settings. In the desired page set, go to Menu, go to Settings, and below the navigation heading, there are options for a gesture pop sound or a button click sound. These are the feedback settings. Adjust by pressing on or off. You can go to Menu, Edit Page, and tap the button you wish to edit and select Edit this button. Label the button and its message in the text boxes at the top and select the desired button image as explained previously. Under Button Actions, add volume up or volume down and press Save in order to adjust the feedback volume.
So now, even though it says done, the action on that button is to adjust the volume up or volume down. And you probably would normally edit the label to say volume up or select an image that has a volume button on it, a volume image on it.
Adjusting applicable speech settings. How to change user voices. Go to Menu and then go to Settings. And then scroll to the gray speech heading, and select from the options of voice, rate, pitch, and pause between words.
Here we have the voices, and you can come in here, and if you would like to hear a sample of the voice, you select the blue button.
Hi, I'm Heather, one of the available high-quality text-to-speech voices. Select Download now to install my voice.
So you can download voices over here, and the majority of them are free. There are a few that you do have to pay for, but there's also Spanish voices. And then to select a voice, right now we have Ryan, a male. So if we want to select it, we just click on the name and it changes it, and then we hit done.
Great. Note, to test a voice, press the blue button next to the option, which we just did. Also note that multiple accents as well as Spanish-speaking voices are available, and many voices are available at no cost. Selection set. Pages, symbol systems, grid sizes, and page layout can be personalized. Each button has 30 possible options. Symbol sticks, symbols, 10,000 included. Uploaded images or photos taken on the device can all be used to personalize buttons. Symbols that come standard on the device include pictures only, digital or icons, alphabet for spelling, words only, pictures with labels, digital photos, includes visual scenes and import videos. Other symbol systems included in TouchChat are imagine symbols, Saltillo symbols, symbol stick symbols, user symbols. TouchChat includes a keyboard option within page sets for the user to create original messages using an ABC keyboard or a QWERTY keyboard, such as in the spelling standard page set. Word and phrase prediction options are available within the keyboards. On the iPad, the smallest grid option are 2 buttons to 400 buttons on a page at one time, with or without the message bar.
And to edit that again, to choose those different sizes, you would go into, I didn't explain it. You go to Menu, Edit Page, select Menu, Edit Page Layout, and here you can select down to 1 row and 1 column, or you can select up to 20 rows and 20 columns. And that's for the iPad. The iPhone has less numbers on the grid. So then if I hit save, it'll bring us down to just 1 button on there. And that's the smallest that you can go.
And the largest you can go is 20 by 20 rows by 20 columns.
And these are all blank, just waiting to be created or edited.
So now we'll talk about how to create visual scenes page.
I'm going to go into one that has new buttons.
So from here, and again, how to create visual scenes page. Go to Menu, Edit Page, and then go to Menu again and add New Page. And you can name the new page. In order to create a visual scenes, you have to create a page first and then personalize buttons to navigate to that page. So in creating this page, you can select or import an image, such as you see up here, and then select the number of rows or columns for your visual scenes page. Once the image has been selected, press Save, and then select the button you wish to edit and press Create New Button. Leave the button label blank, but complete the button message. Be sure to select Transparent for the button, and then press Save. And we can try out that button. Oh, we need to save this page first. Now that we have our visual scenes page created, now we need to navigate to the personalized visual scene page. Now we go to Menu, Edit Page, and then select the button you wish to navigate from. And then edit this button, and then go to Button Actions, Add, and then Navigate, and then select the visual scene page you created. So we're looking for spring.
Or I think I would call it visual scene.
Oh, you did.
And I'm going to delete this other action that was previously there for that button.
And then you press Done, And now let's see, we can try navigating to our visual scenes page.
This is a previously created visual scenes page.
And
then on here, once again on here, you can, since we didn't edit all the buttons, you can go through and create buttons for them. For example, this button we created earlier to say rough rough, but then once you've saved that button, you'll hit done, and it doesn't show up on here, but once you hit that area,
Rough rough.
it's just like the same as hitting a button that has synthesized speech, or if you've put in digitized speech, you can do that as well.
yeah. Now this concludes our video demonstration of the TouchChat HD AAC iPad app. Thank you for your time.